Doug Brooks. I'm from originally Bloomington, Indiana, though I live in Washington, D.C. now.
So what are you doing here where we see everybody came out near the White House?
So I'm a huge internationalist. I worked in Zimbabwe. I was a teacher at the high school in Kamazuma Township. And I'm interested in basically how the U.S. has influenced the world in terms of democracy and freedom and the rights of individuals.
So from what we see happening, or what we saw happening, how do you think people out in Africa are viewing the U.S. elections?
It's sort of scary to me because essentially I see Donald Trump as a copy of African dictatorship. Essentially, you have somebody who sort of is a tribal person who's like, our side or lose. So basically, win or lose, and you're either our side or you lose, which is completely antithetical to the American idea of freedom and democracy.